Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyber Smart Kids. I'm very happy to see you again. In our previous coding class, we learned what is coding. We learned that coding means giving clear instructions to a computer. Today, in day 14, we will learn a very important coding concept. Today's topic is algorithm for kids. Do not worry, the word algorithm may sound big, but the meaning is very simple. An algorithm means step-by-step instructions to solve a problem or complete a task. Today we will learn algorithms using simple examples like brushing teeth, making a sandwich, packing a school bag, and giving instructions to a robot. Let's begin. Kids, an algorithm is a list of steps. These steps tell us how to do something. For example, how to brush your teeth, how to make a sandwich, how to draw a smiley face, how to pack your school bag, how to reach from your room to the kitchen, how to make a character move in a game. All of these tasks need steps. If the steps are clear and in the correct order, the task is easy. If the steps are missing or in the wrong order, the task may not work. So remember, algorithm means clear steps in the correct order. In coding, we use algorithms to tell computers what to do. Let us understand algorithm with a simple daily life example. Task: brush your teeth. What are the steps? Step 1. Pick up your toothbrush. Step 2. Put toothpaste on the toothbrush. Step 3. Brush your front teeth. Step 4. Brush your back teeth. Step 5. Brush gently for 2 minutes. Step 6. Rinse your mouth. Step 7. Wash your toothbrush. Step 8. Keep the toothbrush back. This is an algorithm. But imagine if we change the order. Rinse mouth, then keep toothbrush back, then put toothpaste. That does not make sense. So the order of steps is very important. In coding, order matters. Kids, computers follow instructions exactly. They do not guess like humans. If we give wrong steps, the computer may do the wrong thing. For example, imagine giving instructions to a robot. Step 1. Eat the sandwich. Step 2. Make the sandwich. Can the robot eat the sandwich before making it? No. The steps are in the wrong order. The correct order is Step 1. Take bread. Step 2. Add filling. Step 3. Close the sandwich. Step 4. Eat the sandwich. This is why algorithm thinking is important. A good coder always thinks what should happen first, what should happen next, what should happen after that, what should happen at the end. This is called step-by-step thinking. Now let us create another algorithm. Task: make a sandwich. Here are the steps. Step 1. Take 2 slices of bread. Step 2. Put butter on 1 slice. Step 3. Add cheese. Step 4. Add cucumber or tomato. Step 5. Put the second slice on top. Step 6. Cut the sandwich. Step 7. Serve it on a plate. This is a sandwich algorithm. Now let us check. Are the steps clear? Yes. Are the steps in the correct order? Yes. Can someone follow these steps? Yes. That means it is a good algorithm. It should be clear, simple, complete, and in the right order. Now let us see how algorithms are used in games. Imagine a simple game. A cat catches an apple. What should happen? Step 1. Show the cat on the screen. Step 2. Show the apple on the screen. Step 3. If the player presses the right arrow, move the cat right. Step 4. If the player presses the left arrow, move the cat left. Step 5. If the cat touches the apple, add 1 point. Step 6. Move the apple to a new place. Step 7. Continue the game. This is also an algorithm. The game works because the computer follows these steps. So when you play a game, remember, behind the game there are instructions. Behind the instructions there is an algorithm. And behind the algorithm there is a coder. One day that coder can be you. Now it is activity time. Imagine there is a robot in your room. You want the robot to pick up a book from the table. You must give clear instructions. Let us try. Step 1. Move forward 3 steps. Step 2. Stop near the table. Step 3. Turn toward the book. Step 4. Move your hand to the book. Step 5. Hold the book. Step 6, lift the book. Step 7, bring the book back. Very good. Now imagine we only say, robot, get the book. A human may understand, but a robot may not. It needs clear steps. This is how computers also work. They need clear instructions. Coders write those instructions. That is why algorithms are important. Now let us compare a bad algorithm and a good algorithm. Task, draw a smiley face. Bad algorithm, draw face, make it happy. This is not clear. Now a good algorithm. Step 1, draw a circle. Step 2, draw 2 small circles for eyes. Step 3, draw a curved line for a smile. Step 4, color the face yellow. Step 5, add small cheeks if you want. This is better. Why? Because it is clear. It tells us exactly what to do. A good algorithm does not confuse us. A good algorithm helps us complete the task. So kids, whenever you create steps, ask, is it clear? Is anything missing? Is the order correct? Can someone follow it easily? Algorithms are not only for computers. Algorithms help us solve problems in life too. For example, problem, my school bag is not ready. Algorithm, step 1, open your timetable. Step 2, check tomorrow's subjects. Step 3, put the correct books in the bag. Step 4, put notebooks inside. Step 5, add pencil box. Step 6, add water bottle. Step 7, close the bag. Now the problem is solved. Another example. Problem, my room is messy. Algorithm, step 1, pick up toys. Step 2, put toys in the toy box. Step 3, pick up books. Step 4, put books on the shelf. Step 5, put clothes in the basket. Step 6, throw trash in the dustbin. Algorithms make big tasks easier. They help us think clearly. They help us solve problems step by step. Now let us understand one important thing. Before writing code, coders first think about the algorithm. They ask, what problem am I solving? What should happen first? What should happen next? What should happen if something goes wrong? What should happen at the end? For example, if we want to create a quiz game, the algorithm can be Step 1, show the question. Step 2, show 4 answer options. Step 3, let the player choose one option. Step 4, check if the answer is correct. Step 5, if correct, add 1 point. Step 6, if wrong, show the correct answer. Step 7, move to the next question. Step 8, show final score. This is an algorithm for a quiz game. After this, we can write code. So algorithm comes before coding. Algorithm is the plan. Code is how we tell the computer the plan. There is another important word in coding. The word is sequence. Sequence means the correct order of steps. For example, wake up, brush teeth, take bath, wear clothes, eat breakfast, go to school. This is a sequence. If we say go to school, wake up, that is not correct. So sequence matters. In coding, sequence tells the computer what to do first, next, and last. A small change in sequence can change the result. That is why coders are careful with the order of instructions. Now let us learn common mistakes. Mistake 1, missing steps. Example, make tea. Step 1, add sugar. Step 2, drink tea. What is missing? Water, milk, tea leaves, boiling, cup. Many steps are missing. Mistake 2, wrong order. Example, wear shoes before socks. This is not the best order. Mistake 3, unclear instruction. Example, do it properly. A computer does not understand this. Mistake 4, too many confusing steps. A good algorithm should be simple. So remember, do not miss steps. Keep the correct order. Use clear words. Keep it simple. Now let us play a game. I will give you steps in the wrong order. You try to fix them. Task, wear shoes. Wrong order. Step 1, tie the laces. Step 2, put on socks. Step 3, put on shoes. Is this correct? No. Correct order. Step 1, put on socks. Step 2, put on shoes. Step 3, tie the laces. Very good. Now another one. Task. Open a book and read. Wrong order. Step 1, read the page. Step 2, open the book. Step 3, choose a book. Correct order. Step 1, choose a book. Step 2, open the book. Step 3, read the page. Excellent. You are thinking like a coder. Now it is quiz time. Question 1. What is an algorithm? A. A cartoon. B. Step-by-step instructions. C. A snack. D. A password. The correct answer is B. Step-by-step instructions. Question 2. Why is order important in an algorithm? A. Because steps must happen correctly. B. Because computers like colors. The correct answer is A. Question 3. What is sequence? A. A phone. B. Correct order of steps. Correct is B. Question 4. Which is a good algorithm? A. Confusing. B. Missing. C. Clear steps in order. The answer is C. Question 5. Do coders think about algorithms before writing code? Yes or no? The correct answer is yes. Very good. You are becoming algorithm experts. Now your homework. Create your own algorithm. Choose one task: brushing teeth, making a sandwich, packing your school bag, drawing a smiley face, cleaning your room, watering a plant, or getting ready for school. Write 5 to 8 clear steps. Make sure the steps are in the correct order. No important step is missing. The instructions are simple. Someone else can follow them. Ask your parents to check your algorithm. Task: packing school bag. Step 1, check timetable. Step 2, pick required books. Step 3, put notebooks inside. Step 4, add pencil box. Step 5, add homework diary. Step 6, add water bottle. Step 7, close the bag. Great job everyone. Today you learned about algorithms. An algorithm means step-by-step instructions. You learned that order matters. You learned that computers need clear steps. You learned that algorithms are used everywhere. Remember, algorithm is the plan. Coding is giving that plan to the computer. When you think step by step, you think like a coder. Thank you for joining day 14. See you next time. Bye-bye.